morning. Welcome back to my cooking show. Today we're gonna make biscuits and gravy with sausage.
Okay, Josh, what are we gonna need for your breakfast today?
Water.
Need water.
Yes.
And what else do we need?
Gravy.
Okay, we're gonna use instant gravy, country gravy.
And sausage.
Gonna need our sausage.
2 of them. And we got rolls.
Rolls or your biscuits, right?
Yeah.
All right. And what are we gonna cook them in?
Inside the pan.
The Dutch oven. So
Dutch
today,
oven.
you're gonna be cooking on a Dutch oven.
Dutch oven.
And we're gonna be using what?
It's on the grill.
It's on the grill. We're gonna be cooking them with briquettes. All right. So let's start putting this thing together, huh?
We're gonna cook the sausage into the pan or the Dutch oven. After the sausage is done, we're gonna put the gravy in. We're gonna put 4 cups of water into the bowl. We're gonna stir it up. We're gonna put the sausage inside the Dutch oven.
Okay, spread it around a little bit. You want to make a nice layer down there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put that down at the bottom. We pre-cooked it on our camp stove, huh?
Yeah.
Or our camp chef stove.
Okay.
All right, now what are we gonna put in?
We're gonna put the gravy in.
Gravy, let's pour that gravy in there, buddy. Nice. All right, man, this is gonna be good, huh? All right, got that in. Now, what goes on top?
These.
The biscuits.
Whoa.
All right. Okay, Josh, so we're gonna lay our biscuits on top of the gravy and put it right next to it, okay? The gravy and sausage. There you go. These are gonna come out awesome.
There's one right here.
Okay, let's put one in the middle. All right. That looks good, buddy. All right. There you go.
Hold on, I gotta get you the lid.
Hey Josh, looks like we're using 2 different kinds of biscuits, huh?
Yeah, we are.
Yep. That's cool. We're loading ours up. So get that lid on. And now we just gotta wait. We got our briquettes on. We're gonna cook this at 350 degrees, huh?
Yeah.
Which is, how many briquettes on the bottom do you think? We're gonna do 8 on the bottom and 17 on top. Cool. So we'll be right back after our coals are... Yep. We're still waiting for these old briquettes to cook up. So Josh, we're gonna take a break for station identification and a word from our sponsors.
Pack RV channel, where we have cooking and hiking and swimming and camping and anything else you can find. Since we're the only sponsor, thank you for subscribing to our page. Please stay tuned.
Hey guys, all right, so like we said, we're gonna be cooking these at 350 degrees. So with a 12-inch Dutch oven, we're gonna want 8 briquettes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're gonna put these back in. So get your briquettes and
Those
Josh.
aren't even ready yet, though.
Yeah, they are. So we're gonna
always have to question everything.
Put them in a circle. Right, Josh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get our Dutch oven, which has our sausage ready to go. Go ahead and put it right on top.
There's so much food in there, Josh can't lift it.
All right, so we're gonna put that right on top. And how many do we put on top? 17. So we're gonna lay them out. We're gonna want 17 on top. Okay. What do we got here?
Daddy has to do the hot stuff.
I think, yeah, we don't let Josh deal with the heat, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Actually,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we got a few too many in here, Josh. So we're gonna put some.
Don't start a fire. God
Yeah,
knows
no,
the state's
tell me
already
about it,
burning
huh?
up.
So
It'll be dinner time by the time our
all right.
breakfast is ready.
So Josh, we're gonna wait 20 minutes. We're gonna check our biscuits and gravy after 20 minutes and see how they are.
Yeah. After 20 minutes, we're gonna check biscuits and gravy.
All right, let's give it a check, Josh.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how they're doing. Oh, look at
Oh,
that,
look at
huh?
that.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Let me see here. Oh yeah. Well, they got a little bit more ways to go, buddy. But man, that there, folks. Does that look delicious or what, Josh?
Yeah, it is.
All right. So we're gonna let it cook. Just let it go for about another 15 minutes.
But do we need more gravy?
Nope, don't need more gravy, but we might need a few more briquettes, huh?
Oh.
Because these are getting kind of down there. So we're using Kingsford briquettes. So, all right.
How about you go get your t-shirt on?
Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna give it another 15.
These are good.
Oh yeah. But you look at that, folks. We got our gravy below. It's boiling. The biscuits are cooked. Hey, you ready to eat?
Yeah, ready to eat.
Let's eat.
It's time to eat.
All right, dig in, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that was pretty good, buddy. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Josh did an awesome job. I'm going to give you a big thumbs up for that biscuits and gravy in the Dutch oven. But we have to give credit where credit's due. We want to thank Outdoor Cooking with Al on his cooking channel on YouTube. Thanks, Al, for posting this. And to you purist Dutch oven cookers, yes, I know we used instant biscuits, we used instant gravy, but it was perfect for Josh to make. And next time, I think we're gonna do it all from scratch. We'll use all homemade everything. But you did really good, buddy.
Thank you.
So, hey, if you enjoy Bubba J's cooking show,
Yep.
subscribe. Down below is our subscribe button. Click on that. Click the little bell so you get notifications when we post a new video. So from Lighthouse RV out here on the Delta Loop in the Sacramento area, have a great Sunday. And from us at Raptor Pack RVing, like we say, travel more, stress less. Until our next video,
Peace out.
see ya. Peace out.
Peace out. Welcome back. For the Kit Kat is ready.
The Kit Kat.
Take two. Okay, do it again.
The Kit Kats.
Cats are ready. I said,
The briquettes are ready. Welcome back. The briquettes are ready.
Welcome back. For the Kit Kat is ready.
Hey.
well, we finished eating.
Take two. Posting this. Josh had a good time putting this together. So. Come on.
Take three.
All right, take three.
Don't start over.
Yeah, just cook it.
No, funnier.
What?
What? 350 degrees. Just cook it.
Just cook it.
Thank you very much.